Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. Before we start, I'd like to say if you want to join me on my live stream, please check out the link in my description and the first pinned comment in the comments. I'm streaming at my backup channel called Good Free Photos Channel. Check it out. And if you want to see my other crypto channel called Crypto Daily Updates, where it's one video for all the great crypto news for today, that's also in the description in the comments. So check out those two links and subscribe to those channels. All right, let's actually get on to the topic, which is there was Bitcoin maybe sold for as little as 18 cents. I'm pretty sure this is a glitch, but there are lessons to be this. It's probably a UI error, but some 46,000 Bitcoin was seemingly sold at 18 cents. And this other article here says $306 million in Bitcoin sold for just 18 cents a piece. Now there's been Coinbase, this is actually on Coinbase, and Coinbase is actually not actually a comment on this. So maybe they did lose some Bitcoin, maybe they didn't. There's no evidence that the trade went through as of now, and the exchange has yet to comment on the likely bug, so it's mainly just a bug. But it's unclear whether the trade actually went through, but in a drastic candle, Coinbase Pro saw 42,000 Bitcoin sold at 18 cents. Traders noticed a strange candle in the BTC USD trading pair on Coinbase Pro. Since 42,000 Bitcoin was sold at 18 cents, this might just be an error. That means they had to sell out through all the other orders. It's very, very unlikely. We've actually seen this before with like XRP orders going way up or other XRP orders going way down. The long candle on BTC USD on Coinbase Pro today has to be seen to be believed. According to the order book, over 42,000 Bitcoin was sold at 18 freaking cents. We can only hope that this is some error that the trade didn't go through. A screenshot of the remarkable candle was posted by Captain Sayo on Twitter. As you can see, the order book shows a sale at 18 cents. If you look at this, it's on BN. This article's on BN Crypto. If you look at the graph, it's actually 18 cents. It goes all the way down. Perhaps a fake trade. So the candle can be explained as an error on Coinbase or a possible system overload, which it probably is. But remember, people have actually been able to snag crypto with very illiquid pairs, even on large exchanges. Although we don't know whether or not any BTC was sold at abysmally low prices, which wouldn't be so abysmal, obviously, for the people that picked it up at 18 cents. The occurrence is not all that uncommon in the cryptocurrency space. Ripple's XRP crashed to 15 cents on BitMEX in February when the exchange suffered a day of extreme volatility. Let me remind you that not too long afterwards, Ripple actually stayed at 14 cents for a couple of days. So that was maybe a foreshadowing of the crash. And this hopefully is not a foreshadowing of the crash. As much as I want Bitcoin to go down, I don't quite want it to go down 18 cents. Because that would be the death of the industry. The exchange's negligence angered many traders then. Flash crashes usually happen on days when the market experiences a drastic drop and prices cannot readjust in time. That's true. That's also why I'm hoping for a flash crash when the market actually tanks, when the Fed stops intervening, or when the intervening stops working. On a bloody day of March 12th, which saw the cryptocurrency market drop some 50%, Link briefly traded on close to $0 on Binance. And that was actually real. You could have picked up a Link for close to $0. Sometimes, however, flash crashes also occur due to poor liquidity. In September of 2019, on Binance, on the BUSD BTC pair, someone was actually able to snag some Bitcoin at $1,800. So even though the 18 cents obviously was probably an error, you could have actually picked some Link up close to $0, and you could have snagged some Bitcoin at $1,800 in 2019 if you were there at the right spots. As of now, we really don't know what went wrong on Coinbase Pro. But you know, it would be really funny if someone actually took like 2 or 3 Bitcoin and then just transferred it out before they could actually fix everything. But we can likely assume it was merely a UI bug. Otherwise, there would be people sharpening their pitchforks on crypto Twitter and beyond. But the reaction has been largely quiet, which means it's just a UI bug. It didn't really do all that much. Coinbase might want to take more precautions to ensure their UI is optimized and correct, because such mishaps can scare traders away. But yes, this one might have been a bug, but Bitcoin at 1,800 in September in 2019 and Link at close to, I think it was like 2 cents or something, was not a UI bug, and you could have picked some up. And this is why you go for flash crashes. Now, XRP dropping to 15 cents, it actually went there and actually dropped as low as I saw 12 cents and stayed there for a couple of hours at least. So there was plenty of time to pick that up. So hopefully this is not a foreshadowing of Bitcoin's drop to 18 cents. I highly doubt it is. It's probably not. But the issue is like on these price drops, if it's actually illiquid, or on like on certain errors, some people might be able to pick up Bitcoin at a very low price. Now, not 18 cents, that's going to get reversed. But if it only was a mistake for a couple of Bitcoin that actually sold, people might actually be able to port them out before they can actually do anything. This one is definitely a UI error for the most part due to people's reactions. But, you know, there was a chance to pick Link up at close to $0 and to pick Bitcoin up at $1,800, both last year and this year. So don't laugh at these glitches all the time. They can be opportunities, because sometimes, like for Link, for Link, and even for Bitcoin, when it drops all of a sudden to $1,800, it may not be a glitch. It actually might be someone just selling through, and it suddenly tanks to half or a third its price, and that's when you actually want to buy it up. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've been able to take opportunity at any of these mishaps or sudden flash crashes, and let me know if you've made anything. Thank you and have a nice day.